So I'm sat in the car in the rain here, just come over to pick up our first delivery of books, including the yearbook from Full Stop Reset. But this is the first ever in my hand official printed version of the latest Chaos to Clarity. And as you can see, I think it's looking really quite nice. The team there's done a great job at We Design Brands. I'm really loving the feel of it. It's nice size in your hand, colours looking great, production quality is great. This is the paperback you can get today up on Amazon. So thanks everybody that helped get the book happening and out there, and look forward to seeing what happens when 100 people start to read Chaos to Clarity, how to get out of your own way and remember what really matters. It's really fun. The website is, you see that there, chaostoclarity.com. That's the website. Check it out, and it's really fun. And I think a lot of people got a lot of value from the book. People read it so far on the preview stage, I loved it. And it's all about really how to get the progress you want to get in your life, what everybody else wants to tell you they should be doing and you should be doing, and all that means stuff that gets in our chaotic world that we live in today. Check it out. And this is fun. Heading back now, and I'll see you guys very soon.